In today's video, I'm going to be explaining in detail exactly what the Trading 212 ISAs are. Now, when you were setting up your Trading 212 account, you probably opened up an Invest account. However, you may have also seen a Stocks ISA and a Cash ISA and wondered what it is. And this video is going to be explaining what both of these are in detail, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to understand whether these are right for you. So let's start with a Stocks ISA. Now, a Stocks ISA is actually similar to Invest on Trading 212, and that's because you can use this account to invest in stocks. However, the main difference is all the profit that you make is tax-free. So as you can see here, it says that we can deposit up to £20,000 each tax year, and we're paying no tax on our profits. So this can be a really good way of making tax-free money if you're a good investor or trader, because let's just say you traded that £20,000 up to £1 million, that means that you could take all of that out and not pay any tax on the profit. Now, a Cash ISA is also similar, in which you can deposit up to £20,000 a year, and all the money you make from the Cash ISA is also tax-free. However, with a Cash ISA, you invest that £20,000, which gives you a 5.2% return at the current rate. Now, this is variable, so it means that it can change, so in the future it may drop down, but as of now, a 5.2% interest rate is pretty good, especially considering that all the money that you'll make from this will be tax-free. You can also see here that the FSCS also protects your money up to £85,000. So that means that your money will be protected up to £85,000. So if you deposited the max amount you could each year, which is £20,000, 4 years in a row, that would mean that you have £80,000 in your account, and that will all be protected under this. So in conclusion, the main benefits of Trading 212 ISAs is the tax benefits that come with it. You will only be able to deposit up to £20,000 at a time per year with these accounts. However, all the money that you make will be tax-free. So in my opinion, it is definitely worth opening one of these accounts. So this has been my video explaining the Trading 212 ISA. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.